Okay guys, so this is the trade recap for the 18th of August 2025. I will go over my win for the day. So coming into the day, I was pretty bearish because overall on the daily we inversed these daily fair value gaps here. So we don't respect that. For me, it's bearish. We have this massive 4-hour SMT here that is also bearish. On the 4-hour, you can see that we closed below this gap here. We kind of rebalanced here into this break here and into this kind of breakup blocks here. And then you can see we rotate to the downside, we broke structure on the 4-hour with this candle here. And we made equal lows. So here and here we had equal lows. Wait a minute. Yeah, so this lows and this low, that was the main targets for the day. The only thing that was saying to me that we were a little bit bullish was this SMT. So the S&P actually took this low, whereas NQ didn't. To go deeper into the markets of the day, on London we accumulate here, we generate buy-side liquidity, so I was pretty sure we are going to go to the upside. So my trade idea for the day was that we go to the downside, take this liquidity here, respect the SMT, maybe form another SMT, took the sell side liquidity, and then reverse to the upside, going to take this, and maybe rebalance this 1-hour fair value gaps. So going into the market open here, as you can see, we get a big push to the upside. So we directly took this liquidity, this, and we rebalance into this 1-hour fair value gaps. So with that in mind, I was bearish, because now that we made the scenario bullish and we respected these SMTs, we took the liquidity, I was bearish. I wanted to go to take this sell side liquidity of London here to the downside, and so I enter based off first of all the macro. I was waiting for the macro because we didn't get any SMTs whatsoever. So we had one in the macro here, 45. We build here an SMT. So for me, this was a pretty beautiful algorithmic signature. I was also waiting for equilibrium to getting tapped here. Wait, I'm just going to clean this a little bit. So I entered here like this. I put my stop here above this high and my TP right here. So that's a 2.5 risk reward, beautiful trade, 54 points and 21 points stop loss. Why I enter here? So we inverse that first presented fair value gaps on the 1 minute. So because we inverse that gap, for me we are going down. Once we inversed it, you can see that we rebalanced here with this candle to the upside. I could have entered here, but I wanted to wait for the macro here. That's why I didn't enter like short here on equilibrium. That was a good trade to take. However, you could have taken it. It was a nice one, but a little bit risky, too risky for me compared to this one. This one was way less risky for me. So we inverse the gap. Here we broke the structure here, like this. We broke structure, or we made a CSD, as you prefer, and we inversed that. That 5-minute fair value gap here. This one. We inversed it. So we had everything to go short. If you didn't take this short, that's okay, but obviously it was a pretty good short. What's making me say that if you don't take it, that's stupid, because we made an SMT perfectly in line with the macro. That's a big sign of algorithmic signature, guys. So if you can't recognize this algorithmic signature like this one, you should investigate on these algorithmic signatures and try to understand why are we making SMTs at this moment, exactly at this moment, because as you can see, we built the SMTs at 9:45. That's the macro open for me. So we built the SMT here, and then we reversed to the downside. So that was a pretty good trade. I'm pretty happy with it. I made almost 1K today, so that helped me with the loss I made last week. Last week I could have been funded, to be honest, but I did shitty trade at the end of the week. This was a beautiful 2K weeks, and I ruined it at the end, but that's whatever, you know. That's life. And yeah, I might get funded this week. This week, I hope. I hope I might get funded, and I'll see you guys tomorrow for the next trade recap or trade live. Have a good day, guys. Enjoy. Bye bye.